Okay guys, welcome to Cabin Crew Simulator. Now here's the description. Welcome to Cabin. Create your own airline and design your aircraft. Walk inside and out. Pick your meals and drinks. Ensure your passengers have a safe and enjoyable flight as a flight attendant. Experience a range of emergencies in flight, from fires to water landings, crash landings. Complete exciting, dynamic missions and more in games Skybooks. Now, I do not know if I read that all correctly, so you can read that just to see if I read that fully correctly. But me, don't know. Yeah, but this is in December, so I have a runny nose. By the way, guys, I just want to tell you, this is 30 minutes. Yeah, we're gonna hire my best pilots. They're totally for the same aircraft. They do not even work for me. They're really AI bots. Now, if you haven't seen my first game, I very interested. I played it for a year. I have 3 airlines. I'll just show you the picture, which is my favorite one because I have a lot. Okay, let's do the most annoying thing, which is stalking the gallery. And the bigger the plane is, the more galleries you have to stalk. Is there first class boarding? No. I never consider first class boarding. But I don't actually know if they're going to be on time. Which is something I'm very concerned about. But who gives a crap? Not me. Here we are. Okay, we got red lighting because that's basically the main color of Pixie Air. It turns on red. It's not first class boarding, no. I don't want to start it. Sorry guys, I'm snapping too much. Oh, you're gonna buy your paws, Pixie? I recommend I not do that, but forgot to shut the pilot door. We don't want anyone breaking in. Though it's very rare to happen.
First class passengers, you are now welcome to board.
we're boarding, I guess. Looking, we're boarding. Come on, come on, come on. Yay! I didn't know that they wanted this much food. But yeah. I'm running. Fast as I can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread. Here we go. We don't have somebody that gets arrested on this flight, because that just came to my mind because it's actually happened in Cabin Crew Simulator. Yeah, this is called Cabin Crew Simulator, but shut the galleries.
We would like to invite our business passengers to board at this time. For those now,
Let's take a picture of my aircraft because it looks pretty good. I mean, it has the most stunning name in the world. Pixie Airways. Yeah. Already 11 minutes like we're just boarding. Yeah. Don't even get me started on this. Lady, that's definitely going to be a 50-minute long video. Am I right? Here we go. Onto the airplane.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This
Hello.
is your captain for the flight deck.
Shut the
Welcome
door.
aboard the flight. We're expecting
What
a
did you
smooth
do?
ride today,
Why
so
did
the
you have to
seatbelt
double
sign
check
should
it?
remain off for most of the flight. Thanks for flying with us, and once again, welcome aboard.
Buckle your seat, man. Do you want to fly out these windows? Stow your tray table. Have confidence. I'm not sure about you. Oh? Will these people ever learn to close their overhead bins? Like, seriously. Yeah. I'm being dead serious. Seriously, close their overhead bins. Do some people need to go? Just like some people really do need to go to overhead bin closing school. I'm not sure if that's actually a real thing, but I think they do need to close overhead bins.
Now we
Hey,
regret
guys,
your
it's
full attention.
9/11.
The flight attempts to demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. With the seatbelts on illuminates, you must fasten the seatbelt, insert the metal fittings one into the other, and tighten by pulling on the loose end of the strap. To release your seatbelt, lift the upper portion of the buckle. We suggest that you keep your seatbelt fastened throughout the flight as you may experience turbulence. There are several emergency exits on this aircraft. Please take a few moments now to locate your nearest exit. In some cases, your nearest exit may be behind you. If we need to evacuate the aircraft, floor level lighting will guide you towards the exit. Doors can be opened from within the hatch in the direction of the arrow. Each door is equipped with a which can be detached using the light bar. Oxygen and the air pressure are always being monitored in the event of a decompression event. An oxygen mask will automatically appear in front of you. To start the flow of oxygen, pull the mask towards you, place it firmly over your nose
But
and mouth,
today's
and
sponsor
pull the
is-
elastic band behind your head and breathe
know
normally.
that?
Although the band does not inflate, oxygen is flowing to your mask. If If you are traveling
And
with a
after
child or
I'm
someone who requires assistance, secure your mask on first and then listen to the other person. Keep your mask on until a uniformed crew member advises you to remove it. In the event of an emergency, please assume a bracing position. Forward with your hands towards your head and your elbows
Oh, are
against
you
the
sure?
side, ensuring your feet are flat on the floor. A life vest is located in the pouch under your seat or between the
That's in front of me.
armrests.
Move
When
your
instructed
hair.
to do so, open
No,
the plastic pouch and remove the vest. Slip it
You
over
don't
your
tell me
head,
what to
pass
do.
the straps around
I
your
do, I
waist
do.
and adjust the belt. To inflate the vest, pull firmly on the red cord, only when using the aircraft. If you need to refill the vest, blow into the mouth pieces.
What
Use
the
the whistle and
Sigma
light to attract
girl
attention
turn
if
on?
required. Also, your seat, fasten cushions and seat device.
I do not want to lock anybody.
The straps and
Oh,
hold the cushions tightly towards your chest. At this time, portable electronic devices must be set in the air and announcements made upon arrival. You will find this and all the other safety information in the cargo cages in the seat pocket in front of you. We strongly suggest you read this before takeoff. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask one of our crew members. We wish you an enjoyable flight.
oh, good. Oops, safety briefings ended. But, yeah, I just realized I had 2 engines. Keeping display engines. Shona aircrafts actually have 3 engines sometimes. Bro, why am I distracted off?
Flight attendants, please
topic?
be seated for takeoff.
Turn, 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 turn. Just go forward. Not to quit my job if they don't take off. Like I'm serious. I wanna quit my job. Actually, I might buy it. Here we are in the skies. I love the skies. I love the skies.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have reached our cruising altitude. The flight attendants should start their in-flight service shortly. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
Note, like, in serious. Take your Sprite, but can this guy please be healthy? Because I don't think Sprite's healthy for you, so get healthy. Ah, yes. I'm sorry, I haven't been speaking for a while. Finally, somebody who wants to be healthy. Cop! Man, just take your cheeseburger, man. Oh, you're so fat, you need to go to the mental hospital. It's not this. I'm being really sick. This music is so loud. You might not be able to hear my voice, so just use the captions. Because I can barely hear my voice. Finally, someone who wants to be healthy. Just take your pasta. Can't you just be grabbing it yourself? But filming the first episode. But anything I'm filming is one long clip. Give me the hamburger right now. We will not give you the food for this one. Yeah, corporate. Hi, corporate. Oh, yeah, another burger. Salad. Yeah, salad. Yummy. Fish? What is the word? Fish and sushi? Oh, there's Cheetos. Wait, shouldn't Cheetos be cheating? Because they're called Cheetos. Get it? Like, do you get it?
This is your captain for the flight deck. We have started our initial descent and will be landing soon. Thanks for flying with us, and we hope to see you again soon.
Actually, pretty much. Thanks. Thank you. I appreciate it. But I think the girls will appreciate it. Because I don't think girls do that. I don't think girls like being called red. But nice. You are nice. Like, so nice that everybody catches your attention. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Wait, I don't think you should even be filming videos with this young. Look like you're in your, maybe 50s. Which is good. Look like you're just, 10 years old. Yeah, I'm sorry I'm not talking that much. You know, it's just winter break where we take breaks. Oh my gosh. Cut your hair. Yep.
Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for arrival.
Sorry guys, my dogs are laughing at something. Not laughing. Sorry guys, you're gonna be hearing continuous barking. Oh shit, stop. Shut the door so we shouldn't be hearing that barking. If we do, it won't be as loud. You kind of hear them, but I'm still drinking That doesn't sound good. That doesn't sound TikTok. Okay, so you can tell me what to do. Buckle your seatbelt. Buckle your seatbelt. I did not do anything. Yes, you did. We're landing in. We're landing in. We're landing in the dry desert, which is Dubai. Right now we're basically at the home of Emirates, because Emirates is basically from Dubai. But we have 6 minutes left on the video, so we're watching this far. I am impressed, because not that many people watch this long. Guys, it's gonna take me a long time. Yeah. Never done such a long video like this. Okay. Broken up the overhead. Pixie Express. Yes, thank you. Oh my gosh, I've done 20 voice covers because most of them are gone deleted. I hope this does not turn out to be 60 hours. Let me check. 30 minutes and 59 seconds long. Could almost have been 31. Ring ding 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 ding. Ring ding 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 ding. Ring ding 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 ding. Such a long flight. No, it isn't. It was only about 50 hours. 50 hours? Yes, 50 hours. Okay. A brain care process is just right now. Crazy. Oh, you only have like about almost 3 minutes. Okay, I just want to leave this aircraft now. I already have a headache. Oh my gosh, why do I have to wait until everybody has left the aircraft? Well, I got a reservation for the Dubai hotel, so let's go there. So I have about a minute and 59 seconds. Well, thanks for watching anyways, guys. I know it's not here. But just like and subscribe, it helps me sometimes. Not all the times. You know what I mean? Yeah, my computer wouldn't turn off and I panicked. Then I would delete it. It's Then I'll have to go all the way back to 14 seconds. Like 3,000 million bajillion hours ago. Why am I running across the road? Oh? I think the branches fell off the tree. Because we're sitting on a rocking chair. That says 201. Next time.